So today we're going to be looking at Shell, which is the fourth largest token, obviously based on market cap. There are 12 million tokens, which is quite a lot, you know? And when you see something in the top 4 most trending tokens in the last 24 hours, that really tells you something significant. So today I've decided to analyze MyShell, the ticker Shell. And when you come over here, you'll see it hasn't been out for very long. It's only been around since the 22nd, so about a week or so. And when you click on the X, you'll obviously understand what's what. It's the first AI customer layer, whatever that is. I don't really have a clue what that actually means. But when you see AI, man, that's fucking cool. And it's trending. And when something's trending, well, that's where I get involved, you know? 221,000 people are following the account. And that's precisely why we're seeing the kinds of fluctuations that we are currently observing on the token. So let's not waste any more time. Let's go and trade Shell. So Shell, this is what we're looking at here. Obviously, on a larger time frame like the daily chart, it's not exactly what you'd call a big time frame. But for Shell, it actually is quite a significant time frame where we can see what's going on. What we can immediately understand is that when the token was launched, it already surged by 200%. And importantly, there was no pullback whatsoever. Normally, you see, when a token has had such a massive surge, it usually goes through a pullback phase to consolidate, to form a base, and then it potentially continues its upward trajectory. But this one, it seems like it's just taking off on another surge, another pump, essentially. So obviously, this is directly attributable to the massive community behind it. And today, I'm going to explain to you precisely how I am going to be trading Shell.
Because, you know, in this game, I buy low and I sell high. And once I'm finished with Shell, I'll move on to doing the same thing with another token. You understand? So does my technique actually work? Let's go and check that. Let's see if the Crypto-Quebec technique is effective. So you come over here, 111%, 112%, 234%, 168%, 194%, 114%, 114%, 112%, 111%, 166%, just today alone. Can you see it? I make gains going up and going down. 60%, 132%, 256%, 41%, for a lack of a better term, 221%, and it just keeps going. And you can see it today. So if you're interested in joining my team, you can absolutely join my team for free. All you really need to do is to get set up on one of the platforms that are listed here. And as soon as you've done that, just send me a message here and I will get you added to the team. If you want to get the indicator that I'm recommending, it's also completely free of charge. If you want the Crypto-Quebec indicator, you just click right here on Discord and you'll be able to retrieve obviously the Crypto-Quebec indicator as well as other valuable information, such as the Bitcoin map analysis, even before I make the video. And then you navigate over to the indicator section and you'll be able to download obviously the Crypto-Quebec indicator for absolutely no cost at all. So what is my outlook for Shell? Well, obviously I'm seeing exactly this kind of pattern here. Is it going to go straight up? No, but these are, essentially bullish candles. So this particular candle is likely to be completed today because, on Fridays, from my experience, it's the meme coins that tend to pump. Look here. You come over here, you check the scanner, and you see here Petro is pumping. It's a meme. Vin is pumping.